Hello everyone and welcome to part 6 of the Python tutorial series on the Learning Star channel. In this episode, we are going to delve into logic in programming to better understand how computers interpret code and execute instructions. One of the first logical statements we will encounter is the if statement, which we will be covering in this session. Regarding the exercise from previous session, the answer is straightforward. If anyone has any question, feel free to ask in the comments, and I will be happy to provide an explanation. Now, let's get back to the if statement. This is the first logical statement you will learn in Python. The if statement works just like the word if in English, meaning that if the condition within the if statement is true, the code following it will be executed, otherwise it will skipped. Let's illustrate this with a simple example and a line of code. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the syntax of the if statement. After writing if and stating your condition, you will end the line with a colon. Then the code that you want to execute, if the condition is true, should be indented below it, like that. Print hi. Okay, now in this example we will have the two variables a equal to 20, for example a equal to 20 and b equal to 30. Now we want to print the word a if a is greater than b. If a is bigger than b, print a. Okay, let's run it. As you guess, it must print nothing. It prints nothing because a is smaller than b. However, if we change the value of a to 40, now you see the output will be displayed. Okay. As you can see, we successfully used our first logical statement. Now let's practice by determining whether a quadratic equation has a solution or not. A quadratic equation is like that. Ax. Okay, let's write it. This is the form of the quadratic equation. Now, as you can see, we will have a, b, and c as inputs. Now, let's make delta. The delta is equal to a. The delta is equal to a potential exponential by 2 minus the 4 times b times c. Excuse me, 4 times a 4 times. That's right. B exponential by 2 minus 4 times a times c. Okay. Now we write the mathematics. Okay. Now it's time to apply the if statement. If delta is greater than 0, print what? Let's print that the equation has a real solution. Okay, and if delta is lower than 0, let's print the equation has no real solution. Okay, it's time to try that the code is right or not. Okay, now for example, if we set b to 2, a to 1 and c to -2, Let's run. The equation has a real solution. That's right. Let's change C to 2. The equation has no real solution. Now, for you to see, let's print delta here. The delta is -4 and the code is running right. That concludes this session. For your next exercise, write a program that takes the age of three people named Fred, Jack, and James as input and print the oldest and youngest person. You can write it by writing ifs. Thank you for watching, and I will solve this exercise tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.